Guys, question 1 to 5, which one you want me discuss? Paper 2. Can you give me the suggestion? Soalan 1 sampai 5, mana nak bincang? You can refer to the paper in the group lah, or here also can. Which one you guys want? 1 to 5 first. Siapa-siapa boleh bagi tahu yang mana kamu struggle nak bincang 1 to 5. This is 4, this is 5. Faster guys, cepat. Tanah bazir masa. 2, 4, 5. Okay, I think that's enough already lah. Okay, 2, 4, 5 means. Okay guys, question 2 come. Okay, first question. When you see this type of question, dari bab mana? This one. Recording Ashwina on my phone, no worries. So guys, when you see this kind of question, which chapter is this? Bab mana? What are they talking about here? Anyone? Yeah. Lego ah. Oh yo, I got scared already. Yes, ini adalah bab log, not hukum linear. This is logarithm, indices, surd and log. Okay, first question guys, they ask you to sketch the graph. Okay, macam mana nak lakar graph ni guys? How to sketch the graph? You have the graph y equals to a power x and also the graph y equals to log ax. Okay guys, so what connects these two graphs? Can anyone tell me? Apa hubungan antara dua-dua graph ini? What is the connection between these two? No, I mean, in other words, like how should I sketch this? This is my question. Macam mana nak lakar? What is the concept behind it that supports how I should sketch? Apa konsep yang menyokong kat sini? Anyone? Emily? What is Emily? No lah, not quadratic this one. Kritika. Guys, try to see carefully these two functions. No, y and x. Dua-dua paksi is y and x. Anyone? Try some more. Do you all have clue? Hello? Anyone? Guys, you see this one? Let's say lah. No, nothing about quadratic. I have this function, right? Guys, do you notice something? If you try lah. Fy. Okay lah, maybe I call this fx lah, simple. Don't want to confuse you all. Fx. Okay, so a power y. Guys, when you get this kind of equation, how will you change it? What will you add? Anyone? Apa kamu akan tambah kalau nampak persamaan macam ni? Ya, log lah. Okay, so guys, if you add log both sides, what happen? The kuasa can turun bawah. Okay, so basically log x, you're so sempit lah, equals to y log a. Is it correct? Yeah, correct lah. So y log a. Then you have to express y in terms of x. Okay. Wait guys, let me just write it out better. It's so confusing this one. Let me just write it out better. Basically guys, if you see the step I'm doing lah, what concept am I using actually? Concept apa saya tengah guna sekarang? If anyone saw just now, I tried to write better here lah. Is it the correct one? Let me check. Anyone? What concept is this? The step I did just now, langkah yang tu. So what is the relation between these two graphs? Anyone? No, another concept. What you learn in Form 4 Chapter 1, guys. Form 4 Bab 1. Can you all still remember? Yes, betul. Songsangan, correct. Guys, these two functions are the inverse of each other. Okay, they are the inverse of each other. Sorry, this one I don't want to confuse you all. Put fx. Okay, so guys, when you do a normal, whatever lah you want to call it, inverse quadratic or whatever, but I think this one is called exponential function, guys, if not mistaken. This one, Pritika, is not called inverse quadratic, you know. This function is called exponential function. Do you know that? Exponential, when you have something power x, 2 kuasa 5, something like that, that is called exponential. Why exponential? Sebab bilangan will tambah a lot drastically. So it's called exponential. This is called logarithmic function, fungsi log. Okay, so exponential function and logarithmic function are inverse to each other. Okay, songsang hubungan dia. Okay, so I think you can prove lah by just doing the normal step. Okay, like how you find inverse function only. Okay, you do like this. I think just now I make mistake lah. That's why I couldn't prove it. Okay, so you must express y in terms of x. So basically you add. Oh, actually no need also. No need to do all that. Straight away convert. Guys, do you all still remember macam mana nak tukar dari bentuk index ke bentuk log? Anyone can tell me? You will actually get this, if not mistaken. Okay, can you see guys how I go from this one to this one? Do you all understand how to convert from index form to log form? You see, I get the exact same answer on top, which means that dia adalah hubungan songsang lah. Okay, kamu boleh buktikan. Tapi soalan kat sini tak suruh kamu buat macam ni. Tapi kalau kamu nak faham, you want to understand, this is the method lah. Okay, untuk buktikan pada kamu. Okay, but you no need to write an exam. Okay, tak perlu tulis. Okay, so clear guys? Everyone here? Are you all okay? Okay, so sekarang guys, first property. How should I draw the graph? Anyone? Macam mana saya nak lukis graph ini? Can you all suggest to me? Semua kat sini. How should I draw this graph? Straight line, you mean like this, Steven? Guys, you must remember the property, hubungan antara fungsi biasa dengan fungsi songsang. The normal function and the inverse function, they are the reflection, pantulan, in the line y equals to x. Do you all still remember this, guys? Hubungan antara fungsi biasa dan fungsi songsang? Ya, betul. Dia terbalik. So do you all still remember the domain of the normal function will become the range of the inverse function? Something like that. Domain bagi satu fungsi biasa akan jadi julat bagi fungsi songsang. So guys, can you all tell me if this point 01, untuk fungsi songsang kita apa coordinate dia? If you understand the concept. What will be the coordinate? Yes, songsang means you switch the x and y coordinate lah. So how you plot your graph? You start from here like this. Can you see guys, this one and this one, dia adalah pantulan, reflection along this axis, y equals to x. So if you draw like this, enough lah, finish. Okay guys, can you understand all the thing I tell over here? Basically, all the step I show no need lah. It's just to make you understand only. What the question asks is just laka. No need to show the step. Okay, so now how to give justification? Can anyone tell me? Macam mana nak bagi justifikasi graph ni? Anyone can give me idea? Macam mana nak bagi justifikasi lah kawan? What is the main point? Okay, good. And you can say they are inverse function of each other. Mereka adalah fungsi songsang antara satu sama lain. Okay, because remember, reflect in line y equals to x, dia adalah fungsi songsang. Macam ni. So you just say lah, y equals to log ax is inverse function of y equals to a power x. Okay, and you can also mention macam Steven kata reflected at y equal to x. Okay guys, are you clear? Can you understand? Okay, until here, those who ask. Okay, now we go question B. Which part you can understand? Pritika, justification is basically what I draw on top lah. They are both inverse function of each other, fungsi songsang. Okay, that's why the graph satu like that and then another one like that. And then you must say where it is reflected. Yeah, part one is just draw. Part two, you must write in words to justify what you draw. Okay? Because they are inverse function, that's why the relationship is pantolan in the garis y equals to x. Okay or not? Okay, so now we proceed B1. So guys, first step, macam mana nak ringkaskan yang ni? Anyone can give idea? How do I simplify this equation, guys? What's the first step I must do, guys? Anyone? Langkah pertama. Yes, means which one you telling? The first one or the second one, Anaga? Separate what you mean? Why you change the first one? Divide means what do you mean? Separate. Hey, Steven, you meaning like this, Do you mean you're doing like this? Is this your step? Common mistake, guys. Please take note. Tak boleh buat macam ni. Kesilapan lazim calon. Steven, logarithm is not like algebra. You cannot simply expand like how you like. Okay? The concept not the same. Common mistake, remember. Okay? So don't expand. You must maintain it like that. Tak boleh ubah apa-apa. Okay, just maintain like that only. But what you can change, guys, kalau saya tak boleh ubah number one, means I can ubah number two lah. Okay, so how can I ubah number two, guys? Macam mana? Anyone? Yes, correct. Change base. Okay, tukar base. Kamu nampak tak, guys? Base 9. So, saya nak tukar kepada base apa, guys? Which base? Yes, of course lah, because your other one also base 3, right? Okay, so good, yeah. So base 3. So guys, you still remember, right, how to change base? I think should be no problem lah for you all. Okay, so when you change base, you will get log 3, 3x minus 1. You add the new base, log 3x squared divided log 3, 9. Guys, what is the value of log 3, 9? Anyone? Dia ada nilai tetap. What is the answer? Okay, 2 lah, you understand. To change from one base to another must change to 10. No need to change to 10. You can change to anything you like, Pritika. Example, 9 here, I change to base 3. Okay, that one change to base 10 and then another base is for base number. Remember your math chapter, asas nombor. Semua asas you must change to base 10 first. Lepas tu, change to the base, the question one. Okay, but log, not like that. Log, you can direct change. Can you understand? Yeah, equal the formula, correct. Okay, so guys, since you say this one is 2 already, what can I do to the 2 over here based on log? Power I can, apa boleh jadi pada kuasa 2? Yeah, bring in front. So 2, you cut with 2. So guys, what you left is this one and log 3x only lah. So how can I further simplify, guys? Macam mana boleh ringkaskan lagi? I got a minus here. So minus become? Yes, divide. So habis lah. Itu jawapan kamu. 3x minus 1 over x. Okay. So this is your B1 answer. Simplify only. Okay, ringkaskan. Okay. So this your answer. So later, like that lah. And then the other part, they actually ask you to solve an equation. Kena selesaikan persamaan. Okay, so basically, guys, this whole thing is your answer over here. Okay, means kalau kamu dapat jawapan betul in B1, your B2 answer, just use the answer on top. Okay, guna balik jawapan saja. Again, you can see the keyword hence. Whenever they say hence, you refer back to previous answer. Okay, so basically you copy only lah. Log 3, 3x minus 1 over x equal to -1. So guys, macam mana nak cari x? Solve means find the x. So how to find the x? What is the step now? I think you all can see quite clearly lah. This one you must basically change the log form to index form. Kamu kena tukar dari bentuk log ke bentuk index. So hope you all know lah. 3 power -1 equal to 3x minus 1 over x. So guys, can you all tell me what you get for your x? Cuba selesaikan yang ni. What answer you get? X value. What you all get, guys? X value. And maths must be very fast, guys. Persamaan macam ni kena selesaikan sangat cepat. You must do fast. So what you get? Anyone? Hello? Answer please.
3/8 ke bang?
Betul. Nasib baik ada seorang jawab. Okay. So this is what you should get. X equals to 3/8. Okay. So guys, question 2, are you clear or not? Everyone, we done question 2 already. Are you all okay? Okay. Respond. Don't just senyap over there. I feel like talking to myself only. Okay. So next one. They tell you 7 meter apart, height is 10 meter. And then they ask you now, vertex form. Okay, mereka tanya bentuk vertex. Okay, so how guys? Macam mana nak buat yang ni? Basically, you must find your A, P and Q value. Okay, kamu kena dapat semua, ketiga-tiga nilai ni. All the three you must find. Okay, so guys, they tell you that the minimum height, when they say minimum height, do they refer to A, P or Q? Can you all comment? In the vertex form, dalam bentuk vertex, ketinggian minimum tu merujuk kepada A, P atau Q. Mana satu? No. Yes, Q. Okay, always remember nilai Q. This value at the back show the minimum height. Minimum height mean your coordinate Y. What is your nilai coordinate Y? Okay, so guys, 3/4 of the height of the pole. Just now mereka kata height of the pole is 10 meter. So can you find your Q guys? Saya rasa boleh carilah. 3/4 kamu kali dengan 10 saja. So you should get, if not,
7.5.
berapa? 7.5. 15/2 lah. Kalau nak, you can put Q equals to 15/2 also can. Okay, so this is your Q. So now, can anyone tell me, nilai P tu mewakili apa sekarang? What does the P value represent? Anyone? This P value in the vertex form, what is it representing? Anyone? Nilai P mewakili apa? Guys, P tu mewakili apa? Anyone? Kalau tak tahu, cakap tak tahu saja. P tu mewakili apa? Yes, axis of symmetry. Tak tahu guys. Yang ni basic tahu. Kena revise balik. This is vertex form guys. Do you all still remember vertex form? Anyone? Bentuk vertex. This is the general form. Persamaan arm bagi bentuk vertex. Okay. So P value represent your axis of symmetry. So guys, if you look at this diagram over here, what is your axis of symmetry? Can anyone tell me? The value, nilai P, you can get easily. Where is your axis of symmetry? Huh? 7 ke? Of course lah, 3.5, correct. Okay, midpoint. Midpoint is called axis of symmetry, titik tengah, so that they have the same distance. So 7, kamu kena bahagi 2 lah, yeah. So 3.5 is your P value. So now, how to get this value, guys? Anyone got idea? You still have one more unknown. Macam mana nak cari? A value represent the shape of your curve, bentuk graph. So how? They tell you one key point. They say that assume A as your origin. Okay, A tu asalan kamu. So guys, what is the idea? How to get A value? Macam mana nak dapat nilai A? How guys? A value? No idea. Kamu tengok persamaan kamu balik. Tadi dah dapat nilai P kan? P was 3.5 square. Lepas tu tambah dengan Q kamu tadi adalah 7.5. Okay, your Q is 7.5. Okay, 7.52. Okay, 3/4 times 10 lah kamu dapat yang ni. This one you get from 3/4 times 10. Sebab 10 tu height of the pole. And soalan kata minimum 3/4 daripada ketinggian. So guys, what does fx and x represent? Can anyone tell me? Fx dan x tu mewakili apa? Bila kita bincang pasal graf. Sekarang tugas kamu cari yang ni. So how to get A? Anyone? What must we do? Apa kena buat? Yeah, correct. Substitute any point. So guys, what point you like? Which point you want to substitute? Can anyone tell me satu coordinate yang kamu boleh cari? Yes, correct. Very good. This is your y-intercept, guys. Do you all see? This is one of the coordinate you can substitute. Why I say that is the y-intercept? Because they say assume your coordinate A adalah asalan, origin. Means is 0, 0. So mean that this is your y-axis lah, axis y indirectly. Okay, so anything that touch the y-axis is y-intercept. So you substitute x is 0, fx to 10. So now guys, can you find your A value? Everyone here, boleh tak cari nilai A sekarang? Can, right? Okay, so can you all tell me, nilai A, what do you all get? Your answer. Try to count and see what you all get.
Dua poin lima.
2.5? Betul ke? Tak? Yeah, correct. 10/49 guys. You should get 10 bagi 49. Okay, tekan calculator saja. Okay, then you will get the answer. So guys, your final answer is basically 4/75. Calculator problem lah, that one. I think it's something wrong with your calculator. Okay, all the step here correct already, guys. 19/4. Why suddenly 19/4? Guys, I think I need to show you manual working lah, like this. Can you understand now, guys? Boleh faham tak? For those who get wrong just now.
Dapat.
Okay. Mungkin calculator silap kot. Okay, so that is your question A1. Okay, now A2. They ask you determine the height of the bird guys from the horizontal ground. So in other words, mereka suruh kamu cari nilai X atau nilai Y. Can anyone answer me? Not again. Yes, of course Y lah, because Y represent the ketinggian, the height. Okay, so now they say 100 cm horizontally from the pole B. So can anyone tell me what is your X value here? Apa nilai X if it's 100 cm horizontally? Means it's something like this lah. This one is 100 cm. So what X value perlu saya gantikan? Which I must substitute? Anyone? X value? Yeah, correct. 6. Guys, again, remember, this is your x-axis and y-axis. So 100 cm is what, guys? 1 meter. Okay, so if 1 meter means remainder, guys, 7 tolak 1. So this is your 6. Okay, means you substitute x equals to 6 to your answer in A1. Gantikan saja. Lepas tu kira nilai. So you should get the answer of 8.776 meter. Okay, press calculator only. Okay. So are you all clear up till now, guys? Okay, so I proceed. Okay, this question interesting, guys. Kebat a bit. They say if the weather gets warmer, the electric wire becomes more sagging. Okay, so you can imagine something like this lah. Originally, your wire is like this. Maybe now your wire will become, come big. Maybe now your wire become like this. So guys, can you all tell me which value will not be affected? Nilai mana takkan berubah? A, P or Q? Which one? Huh? B? Don't scare me. Yes, P won't change, correct. Okay, nilai P takkan berubah. Why? Because P is what again, guys? P is your axis of symmetry. So guys, can you see if the wire sag, does it change the axis of symmetry? No, right? Okay, nilai paksi symmetry takkan berubah, but Q value will change because Q is your minimum point. When it sag, it will drop lower. So your minimum value will change. Your Q value change. A value, guys, A represented by what, guys? The width of the graph, right? Lebar graph. So if it's sag, guys, if it's sag, does it become more narrow or more wide? Can I ask you? Bila wire tu kendor, adakah dia lebih lebar ke atau lebih sempit? Anyone? Or remain the same? Yes, narrower. So if we go narrower, guys, does your A value change? Of course it changed lah. Okay, that's why A change, Q change, that's why P value is your answer lah. P don't change. Okay, guys, so are you clear? Question 4. Okay, so question 4 done already. Oh, question 5. Trigo, come. Tiran, your favorite. Can you prove for me, Tiran? This one? Can prove 2 marks only lah. This one. Very short. Come on. Can you try? What is your first idea, guys? Proving always must come out with the first idea. Hey, no need to skip. This one simple only. Rugi if you skip. You cannot memorize proving lah. There's so many proving in the world. So guys, what's your first idea? Start from left hand side or right hand side? First question. Mula dari kiri ke kanan? Yes, left hand side. Okay. So guys, if I start with right hand side, adakah saya salah? Am I wrong? If I start with right hand side? Am I wrong? Yeah, not wrong. But just is difficult lah, susah. Okay, not wrong, but quite difficult. Okay. So let us start with left hand side. So guys, what will you change over here? Can you all give me your idea? To all the terms in the left hand side, what will you change? Anyone? Left hand side? Hello? Left hand side, which one will you change, guys? Mana akan ubah? Will you change the cos 2x, the sin 2x, the sin x? Which one? Which of the 2x? Cos or sin? You mean both? Do you mean you want to change both? Okay, yeah, correct. Both lah. So guys, cos 2x, what will you change it to? Can you all think for me? I mean, tell me the answer. Apa yang kamu akan tukar? You must memorize the identity lah. This one, no other choice. So anyone want to try? Cos got 3 identity, but you must choose one only. 3 identity to go for cos, but pilih satu. Anyone? Cos 2x. Kamu nak tukar apa, guys? Just give suggestion. Don't worry. Just type only in the chat box. Faster, faster. I don't want to waste time. Anyone? Type. Cos 2x. Change to what? How you want to factorize, Steven? Just tell me. Cos 2x change to what? Anyone? What should I change it to? Kena tukar jadi apa? You're making your life quite hard lah, Keshav. Don't do that. You're making your life too hard. Sin 1 minus, yes, bagus. 1 minus sin square x. 2 sin square x. Nabila, kamu silap hafal identity. Ada nombor 2 kat depan. Okay? So 1 minus sin 2 sin square x. Anaga, you can see your answer. Your answer got only sin. So definitely I must substitute something with sin lah. Can you see the pattern? If I substitute with cos, then cos over sin and cos, you think there is a possibility to get sin? Quite low lah. Okay, because the sin is at the bottom. Okay, so basically substitute with sin. And then guys, sin 2x should be no problem lah. You must just use 2 sin x cos x, nothing else. Okay, and then sin x minus cos x, guys, tak perlu ubah apa-apa. Just leave it like that. You will see that you can cancel it off later. Kamu boleh potong atas bawah. Okay, our major aim in proving is to cut up and down. Okay, potong atas bawah. Okay, so now, Steven just now say factorize, right? Now you can factorize. Okay, after you change lah. Before that, you cannot factorize. Okay, 2 sine square x minus 2 sine x cos x. Hey, yo, every time go big. Sine x cos x over. So, Steven, can you tell me what should I factorize? Or anyone here? On the top, atas pecahan saya perlu keluar apa? Are you only taking sine x? Yes, 2 sine x. Guys, do you all see? There's a number 2, common term, faktor serupa. So you can take out 2 also, together with the sine x. So if you take out 2, guys, you will realize that you can cancel up and down. Boleh potong atas bawah. So you get the 2 sine x as your answer. Okay, guys, are you clear with the proving? You see, you can try and see. You got sine x. Oh, sorry. Sine x minus cos x. Okay, guys, proving. Can you understand? Semua kat sini, apa yang saya buat? So these two potong. Dapat jawapan. Okay, so that is part A lah. Okay, so now we talk about part B. Later I will send the solution as always. So jangan risau kalau tak sempat copy lah. Nanti boleh tengok dalam group. Okay, so how about part B? Guys, kalau nampak fungsi macam ni kamu nak lakar, kamu takut kan? Am I right, guys? Kalau kamu nampak secara terus, if you see directly like that, it's very hard, right? But guys, semua yang ni adalah yang ni. Okay, jadi kamu tak perlu lukis satu tolak cos 2x, tolak sin 2x. Pritika, you think the one was long just now? The one I did just now, was it long? Yes or no? No, right? Not too long one. If you get the idea, it's not too long. Sangat cepat. But if you don't get the idea, that's the problem. Kalau kamu tak dapat idea, nanti kamu akan bazir masa akan buktikan. But if you get the idea, very fast. Okay? So now guys, you must sketch the graph. Y is modulus 2 sin x plus 1. So macam mana nak lakar graph ni guys? Can anyone tell me? What is the easiest method untuk lakar graph ni? The easiest way. Yang paling senang punya. Anyone? What's the easiest method? I told you all in modern maths also. So can anyone remind me? Easiest method to draw a graph. Siapa-siapa kat sini tahu tak? Guys? No need to draw the sine graph actually. There's an easier method. Guys, kamu gantikan saja nilai X dalam sini. Semua nilai ni. The basic four angles yang kamu kena tahu. 90, 180, 270, 360. But guys, again notice, soalan tanya dalam radian. That's why I write semua dalam sebutan pi lah. I write all in terms of pi. Okay, all of this is 90, 180, 270, 360. So from here you can draw already lah guys. Can you understand? Kamu gantikan saja nilai X kat dalam. Lepas tu tekan calculator je. Seluruh yang ni untuk dapat nilai Y kamu. Are you clear guys? Can you understand my method? So if you draw lah, I help you all a bit. We draw first and see. So kalau kamu lukis graph ni, you should get 0, pi over 2. Guys, this one rough sketch. So no need to be accurate. Jangan perlu risau. Sebab yang ni soalan kata sketch, laka. Laka means is rough scale only. Tak perlu accurate the scale. Okay? You must see the keyword. If they ask draw, draw means kena guna kertas graph. Okay? But sketch, no need to use graph paper. Okay? So you have 1, 2, 3. So guys, can I ask you, will the sine graph go below the x-axis? Yes or no? Adakah? Okay, good lah means you understand the modulus. Okay, all must be positive. So if you get negative, something wrong already lah. Okay, there should not be one value also negative. Tak ada satu nilai pun kena bawa paksi x. Okay, so basically if you draw, you should get this shape. Okay guys, do you understand the graph? You just put the x-axis value inside the equation only. All this value one by one, satu per satu. Lepas tu kamu akan dapat bentuk macam ni. Gunung lah. Okay. So next, they ask you number of solution. Okay. This one sangat typical lah guys. Selalu akan nampak soalan ni. Number of solution. Okay. So this one, how to find? Kamu kena pandai ubah persamaan ni lah. Okay. If you know how to do linear law, the concept is exactly the same. Kalau kamu pandai bab linear law, ini konsep sama. Kamu kena ubah persamaan untuk dapat persamaan ni. 2 sin x plus 1. Sin x tambah 1. So guys, if you see this equation, apa kamu akan ubah dulu? Can you all tell me? What is the first thing you will change to this equation? Anyone? Cuba bagi idea. Anyone?
2 sin x plus 1 kena darab pi.
Tak. Kamu kena ubah yang ni. Ubah yang ni untuk dapat yang ni. Bukan yang ni kepada yang ni. Yang ni salah. Yang ni betul. No need. Modulus no need to. Sorry, that one is the earlier answer. Sorry. So anyone, how to change? Macam mana nak ubah yang ni? Yes, very good. Bahagi 3. Okay. Why? Because 6 become 2. So means you must divide by 3 lah. Bagi seluruh persamaan dengan 3. Okay, so you will get modulus 2x sin x. Sorry. Plus 3 pi equals to 3x. So next thing, guys, what will you change? Anyone? You try to compare with this. This is your goal, your final answer. So what should I ubah some more? Sorry, this one is mistake. This one, nothing. 2 sin x only. So next step, guys, what should I change? This one also mistake. You say bahagi 3, right? Means this one all gone. Okay. This one got pi here. So now, guys, what should I change? Anyone? Apa saya kena ubah lagi untuk dapat bentuk yang ni? Maksudnya bahagi pi lah. You divide the whole equation by pi. Okay? If you divide the whole equation by pi, guys, you will realize that you can get the answer. Guys, boleh tengok tak? Adakah ia sama? Sama kan? Exactly the same. Means you can directly tulis y sama dengan x bahagi pi. Okay, so macam mana nak lukis garis lurus? How do I draw the straight line for this graph? Okay, so basically very simple lah. Kamu gantikan, where's my graph? This one. Kamu gantikan x sama dengan kosong, cari nilai y kamu. Kamu sepatutnya dapat kosong jugalah. When x is 0, your y is 0 because y is equal to x over pi. Okay, then you gantikan. Bila x sama dengan pi, y you will get 1. Kamu plot kat sini. So then, draw the straight line. So guys, can I ask you, how many solution we have? Berapa penyelesaian kita ada kat sini? Yes, 2. How do you see the number of solution, guys? Kamu tengok titik persilangan garis lurus dan graph kamu. The intersection point of the straight line and the curve is the number of solution. Okay, so done lah. Number 5. Kita dah habis. Sorry. So guys, 6 to 10. Nak bincang apa? Nombor mana kamu mau? 6 to 10. Just type out the number kamu struggle sangat. Tu saya bincang 6 to 10. Cepat guys. Faster. Kita nak bincang paper 1 juga tau. Six to 10 guys. Nine. Okay, lagi. Kenapa loading? Ayo. 9 saja guys. 7. Okay. Wait guys. Seven, 9, 10. Okay, enough lah. Wait, suddenly this thing stopped already. 7, let me see. Oh, 7 is integration. Okay. Okay, 7, 9, 10. Okay, guys. Can see, right? Okay, 7. So, guys, macam mana nak cari luas bagi yang ni? area of shaded region. What is the concept, guys? Can you tell me? Apa tambah apa? Macam mana nak dapat luas yang ni? Anyone? Ke buntu? Tak ada apa-apa idea. Area. Okay, that's a good idea actually. I never think of that actually. Yeah, you can use that also. Okay, Anaga's method can work also. I also have my own method. Apa yang saya buat adalah saya bagi ni kepada dua bentuk. This is a triangle. This is area under the curve, luas bawah lengkung. Maksudnya my concept is area of triangle plus area under curve. Okay, luas segitiga tambah luas bawah lengkung. Anaga's one, she think like this. Okay, tak salah. Dia fikir macam ni. She take the whole area minus dengan yang tak berlorek. Okay, I go direct lah to the shaded, but she think the whole minus the unshaded also can. Okay, so two method lah. Okay, so guys, if you using Anaga's method, I think quite easy lah guys. You can get the answer because kamu boleh guna formula trapezium. Okay, so guys, can anyone tell me what is the y coordinate for this? Because you need to know that to do the integration. Concept kamiwan, you need that coordinate. So anyone? Apa nilai y bila x sama dengan 4? 04? Kat mana kamu dapat yang tu?
018 ni.
18 ke? Yes, 6. You should get 6 yang ni guys. When x is 4, kamu gantikan kat sini. Persamaan lengkung. So if you get cert 4 plus 4 equal to 6. Okay, so then guys, sekarang kamu nak kame dari mana guys? If you see this, let me so that easier to see. What is this value guys? Can anyone tell me? Bila lengkung tu pintas paksi y, when it cut the y axis, what is the value for that? Yes, correct lah. You just get the info from here, plus 4. Okay, tambah 4. Maksudnya, you have to kame from 4 to 6. This one is my method lah guys, kaedah saya. So guys, sekarang kita kame terhadap paksi y ke paksi x? Do we integrate respect to y or respect to x? Yes, very good. Maksudnya guys, kat sini saya kena letak apa? X ke Y? Ya, bagus. X. So guys, cuba lihat persamaan kamu. You have to change lah. So Y equals to, kamu kena ubah X dalam sebutan Y. Baru kami. Okay, so set X equal to Y minus 4. Kalau kamu nak hilangkan set, kamu kuasa dua-dua belah persamaan. Square both side. So Y minus 4 square. So kamu boleh tulis yang ni jadi macam ni. Baru kamu kame. Okay. So I think should be no problem lah guys. Basic kamewan yang ni sahaja. Sangat basic. Boleh buat. Okay. You should get y minus 4 cube bahagi 3. Lepas tu gantikan had atas. Upper limit, lower limit. So guys, if you count and see, you should get 8/3. Okay. 8/3 for the area lah. Okay. 8/3. Okay, so now guys, I have this info. Kamu ingat yang ni. Okay, let me rub off certain thing. Okay. So now guys, this value 8/3. So now, I need to find the triangle guys. For my method lah, kamu kena cari luas segitiga. So macam mana nak dapat luas segitiga ni guys? Can you all tell me? Cuba lihat yang ni. Yang ni adalah segitiga ke atas sini. Okay, so two possibility. One possibility you can use integration. Kamu boleh buat kameran dan cari luas segitiga tu. Kalau saya tak mau guna kameran, guys, what is my alternative? Can anyone tell me? What formula can I use? Kalau saya tak mau integration, yes, very good. Half times 6 times, 16 times 4. Okay, dua-dua pun sepatutnya dapat jawapan sama. Okay, because this one 6, maksudnya tinggi kat sini 16, your base length is 4. Okay, so you should get 32. Maksudnya, luas kawasan berlorek, kamu kena tambah dua-dua ni. So you should get 34 2/3 unit square. Okay guys, are you clear? 7A. Okay, we go 7B now. So volume of evolution. Okay, pertama sekali kamu kena cari kat mana kawasan tu lah. Okay, so let me write first. Okay, so guys, they say the region bounded by the line y equals to 6. Okay, ini adalah y sama dengan 6 garis ni. And then they say bounded by the y-axis. Lepas tu bounded by the curve. So guys, this is the region lah yang kamu kena cari volume, the one I said. Okay, so volume, pi, integrate 4 ke 6, x square dy. Okay, so again, I think should be no problem lah guys, this one. You already got the answer just now. X square kamu adalah, x kamu adalah y minus 2 square. So guys, don't forget, you must put another square. Because your formulas kamu sekarang adalah x square. X kamu sahaja, x alone is y minus 2 square. And then you must square again. Okay, so basically this whole thing, kamu akan dapat y minus 2 power 4. Baru kamu integrate. So integrate y minus 2 power 5 bagi 5. Lepas tu gantikan 6 dan 4 kat dalam. This one is y minus... it's not y minus 4. Sorry, yang ni 4. Okay guys, are you clear? With question 7, you should get 32/5 pi unit cube. Okay guys, can I proceed? Boleh komen tak? If you all okay. Tadi orang tanya question 9, right? Wait, okay, 9, yes. Number 9 is what? Oh, coordinate geometry. Okay. Start, Okay, so first, they say equation of PR. So guys, mereka kata yang ni adalah segi 4 selari tau, parallelogram. So guys, what is the most important characteristic, ciri-ciri parallelogram? Siapa ingat tak? Ciri-ciri yang paling penting kamu kena ingat. Anyone? Very good. So these are the two parallel sides, dua sisi yang selari. So guys, if they are parallel, maksudnya kalau selari, you have the same, sama apa? Yes, so you count this gradient, kamu akan dapat this one. You will get negative 1 if not mistaken. Maksudnya gradient yang ni juga negatif 1. So guys, mereka nak cari persamaan garis ni sekarang. So is it easy now? Kamu ambil sajalah y equals negative x, tolak 2, habis. Boleh faham tak guys? Negative 1 gradient, negative 2 pintasan y, habis. Okay, so that is your A1. And then A2, perpendicular bisector, okay, of PQ. So they want perpendicular bisector of PQ. So this is your perpendicular bisector. Okay, you have one coordinate. Kamu boleh gantikan. But now guys, what is the gradient of this perpendicular bisector? Anyone? Macam mana nak cari kecerunan pembagi berserenjang ni? Guna info apa? Kena cari apa dulu? Kalau nak kecerunan pembagi berserenjang. Anyone? Which 2 point I must use first? Pritika, which point? Even which point? Which thing I must use first to find the gradient? Guys, no need. We must now talking about gradient. We already have 1 point here. Now I need info on gradient. So how to find the gradient? Yes, very good. Find the gradient of BC. And then you should know that MBC times M bisector should equal to -1. Okay, this is 90 degree, guys. You must remember. Okay, 90 darjah. So you can use this formula untuk cari your gradient. Okay, then guna equation biasalah, y minus y1 sama dengan mx tolak mx tolak 1 untuk dapat persamaan garis lurus. Okay, so kamu gantikan x1 kamu -1, y1 kamu 3. Coordinate A2 lah, you just substitute A coordinate. Okay, so are you okay guys with A2? Can understand? Boleh faham? Okay ya. I hope you all faham. Okay, so next one. Question B. PQ to PS 2 kepada 3. Okay, interesting. So mereka kata ni 2, yang ni 3. Okay, maksudnya yang ni 1 lah. Okay guys, can I ask you PA and AQ, what is the ratio Siapa tahu? PQ tu 2. Maksudnya PA AQ dia ambil berapa nisbah dia? Anyone? Logic. Total 2. Kamu sekarang ada 2 bahagian. Maksudnya 1-1 lah. Correct. 1-1. So guys, if you focus on this straight line, A -1 3, Q kamu boleh bagi label XY lah sebab soalan nak kamu ungkapkan coordinate Q. Okay, they want you to express coordinate Q. Okay, and then S is Mn. So guys, M kamu 1, N kamu 1 lah. Use the formula divisor of line segment formula. Okay, formula ni lah. Nx1 tambah mx2 bahagi m plus n, and then ny1 tambah my2 m plus n. Okay, kamu tahu tak guys macam mana nak guna formula ni? Are you all clear on this formula? Macam mana nak gantikan nilai? Because if you know how to substitute all the values, should be no problem lah. Kamu akan dapat jawapan terus dah. Do you need me to explain this guys? Anyone? Perlu tak saya terangkan macam mana nak gantikan? If no problem, then I proceed lah. Sebab idea saya dah tunjuk. Anyone? Need idea? Kritika, Tiran? Do you need help on this? Okay. Clear, So I proceed. Okay, can. So next one, they ask you, find the area. Okay, guys. Area senang saja. What is the formula, guys? The half modulus thing lah for area of ABC. Okay, you have all the coordinates. Semua diberi dah. So should be no problem lah. P1, I don't think can do. What is P1? Oh, later we'll come to that. Don't worry. So if you solve this, guys, you should get 8 unit square. Siapa-siapa ada masalah tak untuk selesaikan yang ni? You all know the method, right? Shoelace method. Kaedah ikat kasut. Okay, this one like this. And then lepas tu kamu dapat macam ni. Okay, should be no problem lah. You get 8 unit. But then guys, they suddenly ask you find the area of PQR. Yang ni kebat. So how can I find PQR guys? Kalau kamu lihat wajah ni, what is the relationship between ABC and PQR? Anyone know? You already find ABC is 8. But how about this whole thing? How to find the area? Anyone? What is the concept? Tak perlu kira pun, sangat senang. Very short. Anyone? How can I find PQR? Yeah, betul. Guys, do you understand why times 4 or not? Everyone here. This is your answer for PQR. That's it. Anyone struggle how to understand this? I think should be no problem lah. Kamu boleh lihat. You have 4 similar triangle here. Number 1, number 2, number 3, yang ni nombor 4. That's why times 4 lah. Okay guys, so are you clear? Question 9, any problem? Okay, so we go question 10. Come on, come on. Nak bincang paper 1 lepas ni. Okay, so they tell you perimeter 100 cm. So kamu kena mulalah dengan info perimeter. So guys, how to find perimeter here? Anyone? You must find the length of everything lah. First, perimeter adalah apa yang saya lorekkan sekarang. This whole thing. Okay, seluruh yang ni adalah perimeter. Wait Okay, seluruh yang saya lorekkan tu adalah perimeter. Okay, so now, can you all tell me this length guys? Yang biru ni? Sorry, seluruh yang ni. Seluruh yang saya lorekkan biru. Can anyone tell me what's the value Nilai dia berapa? Seluruh yang biru tu. Kalau kamu betul faham tentang konsep bulatan lah. If you really understand a circle, you can tell me the answer. Huh? 2y plus 100 Are you sure? How you get 2y plus 100? The blue one, I'm telling guys, what is the length of this whole blue thing? Anyone? If no idea, boleh cakap tak tahu. Kalau tak tahu, cakap tak tahu saja. If you don't know, just say don't know. Tak tahu. Guys, semicircle lah. Semi bulatan. Lepas tu kamu ada satu kuadran macam ni. Lepas tu kamu ada satu kuadran macam ni. Guys, this whole shape, what is it? Apa bentuk ni? Sedar tak guys? Bulatan kan? Ini adalah semi bulatan. Ini adalah sana. Ini adalah kuadran 1. Tak ada warna lain dah. Sana. Tak apalah. Ini adalah kuadran 2. So guys, can you see apa formula untuk bulatan perimeter? Can anyone tell? Sebab kamu gabung semicircle dan 2 kuadran. So kamu dapat bulatan lah. Akhirnya. This is the concept. Anyone? Ya, Wiz. Cakap. Apa formula, apa nilai kita untuk
2 pi.
bulatan? Yes, betul. 2 pi y. Okay, circumference guys. This is your circumference. Ukur lilit bulatan. Inilah sama dengan apa yang saya lorekkan, yang biru ni. Okay guys. Lepas tu, yang ni berapa nilai dia? Kamu boleh carilah. Saat yang ni nilai dia y, kat sini y. Okay, yang ni nilai dia y guys, kat sini. Yang kecil kat sini. Okay, y dan y. Lepas tu, this one is 2y. Yang ni pun 2y. Sorry. Not 2y. Saya padam yang ni dulu Susah sangat. Tak boleh nampak. Sekarang boleh nampak lebih senang. Okay. So, tadi guys, macam mana saya dapat semua nilai tu tadi? Can you all tell me guys? Apa jejari semi bulatan ni? What is the value? Anyone here? Ya, betul. Y sebab setengah. So guys, sekarang boleh dapat tak nilai ni apa? Pastinya sama dengan Y lah sebab bulatan yang sama. Same circle. So the radius jejari dia maintain Y. Okay, yang sini pun Y lah. Okay, so and then this one also Y. This one also Y. Okay, semua jadi Y. Okay, lepas tu seluruh yang ni tadi saya katakan, just now I said is 2 pi Y. Okay, so tadi saya dah buktikan lah pada kamu 2 pi Y. And then lepas tu guys, can you tell me kalau kamu faham lah apa nilai seluruh yang ni? Cuba lihat wajah. What is this length? Kalau kamu tahu yang tu, kamu boleh cari perimeter. Yes, x plus y, both side. So you can write out your expression now lah guys. 2 pi y. Berapa y kamu ada? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Tambah 6y. Tambah, how many x you have guys? 1, 2. 2x equal to 100. Soalan bagi tahu perimeter kamu 100. Okay, your perimeter is 100. So now guys, bila kamu lihat soalan, mereka suruh buktikan yang ni. Okay, so what can I change over here? First thing, kamu boleh bagi seluruh persamaan dengan 2 lah. Okay, untuk memudahkan dia, you simplify it. Okay, nanti, now I want to ask you guys, should I express x in terms of y or y in terms of x guys? Perlukah saya ungkapkan x dalam sebutan y atau y dalam sebutan x kat sini? Which one? Because dua-dua pun betul, but which one boleh bantu kamu untuk buktikan yang ni? Anyone? X in terms of y or y in terms of x? Just try guys. Anyone? Cuba saja. Mana satu guys? Y in terms of x or x in terms of y? Yes, correct. Why I say x in terms of y? Guys, do you see x in your final answer? Adakah kamu nampak sebutan x dalam jawapan akhir kamu? Yes or no? Pasti no lah. If you see you're proving there is no x. Okay, tak ada sebutan x. Maksudnya kamu kena hapuskan x tu lah. You have to eliminate the x. Macam mana nak hapuskan x? Kamu ungkapkan x dalam sebutan y. You express x in terms of y to eliminate the x. Okay, so you should get x equals 50 minus pi y minus 3y. Lepas tu gantikan dalam ungkapan luas kamu. So what is your area now guys? Kamu ada satu semi bulatan gabung dengan dua kuadran. Tadi saya kata, when you combine one semicircle with two quadrant, what do you guys get? Circle, right? So kamu guna luas bulatan lah guys. Anyone? Can you tell me formula luas bulatan apa? What is the formula? Equals to? Semua yang ni kamu dah cover lah untuk luas bulatan. 2 kuadran tambah 1 semicircle. Anyone? Area of circle, please. Hello. Ya, pi y square. Jangan senyap sangat. Komen saja. Pi y square. Okay, lepas tu guys, bottom here. Okay. Y ya guys. Don't use R because just now remember ikut the diagram is Y. Okay. Jangan guna J, jangan guna R. Your diagram is Y. Okay. Yeah. So now you see this one. You got 3 rectangle over here. Okay, so this rectangle 2y times x, you get 2yx. And then you got another rectangle over here. Yang ni y. Sorry. Wait, I erase first. This length is x. And then this length is y. Okay, sama lah. X, x. This one also x. So you got plus 2xy again. Jadi ungkapan luas kamu sekarang pi y square plus 4xy. Okay, so now guys, do you see just now saya ungkapkan x dalam sebutan y over here? So what can I do guys? Gantikan sajalah kat x ni seluruh ungkapan saya. So you should get pi y square tambah 4 50 minus pi y minus 3y and then y. Okay. Wait, let me erase the rest. Kalau tak nanti kamu tak boleh nampak. Okay. Cannot. Okay, so then guys, what you should do, kembangkan sajalah, expand the whole thing. Plus 200y minus 4 pi y square minus 12y square. So guys, boleh nampak tak? You already proven the whole thing. You already get the answer. Okay, this your answer lah guys. Yang ni. Okay, same as the one the question asked to prove. Okay guys, are you clear? Boleh faham? Everyone here? How to prove the whole thing? Okay, panjang sikit lah tapi harap faham. Okay, so now this one should be no problem lah guys. Kalau kamu boleh buktikan yang ni, following question basic saja. So guys, when you see the keyword L maximum, maksudnya what chapter is this? Bab apa? Keyword maximum. What should I do? Ya, betul, bab 2, form 5. Okay, so you should do dl bahagi dy differentiation, bagi dia sama dengan kosong because maximum. Okay, so you should get 200 minus 6 pi y minus 24y equal to 0 after you differentiate this whole thing. Okay, saya harap kamu semua tahulah macam mana nak bezakan yang ni. I hope you all know. I think should be no problem lah with that equation. Then you just find your y lah, like what the question say. So 6 pi y plus 24y is 200. So y 6 pi plus 24 is 200. So guys, kalau kamu kira y kamu adalah 4.667. Jangan risau kalau jawapan dia perpuluhan, tinggalkan saja. Okay, it's correct. Okay, then they ask you find back the L. Cari balik L kamu. Macam mana nak cari balik L kamu? Kamu gantikan yang ni lah dalam persamaan kat atas yang kamu buktikan tu. Okay, so you should get, wait, kamu sepatutnya dapat, wait guys, I try to find where my answer now. You should get L max sama dengan 466.72. Okay, final answer sepatutnya dapat yang ni. Kalau kamu gantikan dalam persamaan they ask you to prove. Okay, the equation to prove. Okay guys, are you clear? Question B, faham or not? Boleh faham tak? Cara saya buat. Kritika, can understand Okay, so now this one. Okay, so 0.7. So this one is dr over, dy. Jangan guna r, is y. dy over dt is 0.7. Rate means bahagi masa, divide time. Okay, kadar. And then they say find the rate of change of area. dl over dt equals to what? This is what I must find. Radius is 12. Okay, so guys, what is the concept here? Apa petua kat sini? What concept we use here to find? What is the method? Yes, chain rule. Okay, petua rantai. So dl over dt equal to dl over dy times dy over dt. So guys, what is your dl over dy? Tadi kamu dah cari kan kat yang ni. Just now I show you the differentiation. Kamu gantikan r sama dengan 12 kat persamaan tu. Lepas tu darab dengan yang ni. Yang ni nilai dia apa? Kat sini lah 0.7. Then you get the answer. Habis. Okay guys. So what is the unit? Saya perlu letak untuk yang ni. Can anyone tell me? What is the unit for dl over dt? Jawapan akhir kena ada unit tau untuk pertual rantai. So what is the unit? Luas bahagi masa. Jadi unit kamu? Yes, cm square per second. Don't forget this guys. Must have unit. No unit, maybe your answer wrong. Walaupun nilai betul. Okay, so we done question 11 already. This is, sorry, 10. Okay. So just now people ask, wait, where is it? Tadi kamu semua tanya, 7, 9, 10 lah. Okay guys. So now 11 to 15. What question you want me to discuss? Last 5. 11 to 15. I think this question all very easy lah guys. Solution of triangle price index. I don't think you want me to discuss lah. So guys, kalau pergi paper 1 boleh tak? Everyone here. Are you okay if I go paper 1? Because I scared not enough time. Semua 12 to 15 is optional. Pilih 2 saja. So choose the easiest one and answer. Index number should be no problem. Solution of triangle. Okay, if later you have problem, I'll still send the scheme because I want to go paper 1 now. Okay, paper 1 got some tough questions, so let's see that one. Okay, linear programming also can lah. Okay, come paper 1. So guys, 1 to 5, what do you want me to discuss? Quick. I hope to cover this whole paper. Yang ni cepat boleh buat. 1 sampai 5. Nak soalan mana? Just tell me all the number, 1 to 5. What number you want, guys? Okay, number 2. This one should be no problem. Other number you have, boleh comment juga, 1 sampai 5. Pritika, when you see 2 real and equal root, keyword? Oh, you did this or not? This is the keyword. Yeah, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So again, make sure you cannot direct substitute a is p plus 1. In this, wait. Boleh, can, sorry. Okay, you just substitute lah. A is p plus 1, b is 2q, c is 3 inside this equation. Then you get the answer lah. That's all guys. Ini saja soalan ni. Kamu kena ungkapkan P dalam sebutan Q lah. That's all you must do. Okay? Do you need me to show the further step? I don't think so, right? Because basic algebra only. The rest, nothing else. Okay, so other question guys? 1 to 5. Mana lagi nak bincang? 3, Okay. 3, okay. Nabila, I rasa tanya seluruh lah. Okay, 5. One root reciprocal of the other root. So can you all tell me what are the 2 roots here, guys? Apa dua punca kat sini? One root adalah salingan satu yang lagi. Can you all type out for me? Faster, guys. Faster. One root reciprocal of the other root. Meaning? That's all. Ini adalah dua punca kamu. Alpha dan 1 bahagi alpha. Guys, salingan or reciprocal means 1 bahagi. 1 over. Tapi nilai kat bawah sama. Alpha. Okay, so the 2 roots is alpha dan 1 bahagi alpha. Okay, so then kamu kena tukar persamaan ni lah kepada bentuk x square minus SOR plus POR. So guys, what to do? First step, make sure coefficient of x square is 1. Mesti kena 1. Only 1. So how? Divide the whole equation by m. Kamu bagi perkali bagi x kuasa 2 dalam soalan, iaitu m. Okay, so you will get x square plus m minus 2 over mx plus 3 plus 2 over m equals to 0. Okay, so then kamu kena bandingkan sajalah untuk cari nilai m. Okay, they ask you find the value of m. So guys, macam mana? You guna POR, sangat senang. Mengapa? Guys, when you darab this one, kamu dapat apa? Satu lah. Okay, only one. So 1 equals to 3 plus 2 over m. If you compare this equation, persamaan yang ni, wait kamu bandingkan yang ni dengan POR. Okay, that's why saya tulis macam ni. So guys, I think you can find your m already lah. You should get m is equal to -1. Okay guys, are you clear with this? Ini adalah soalan 1. Okay, good. So next one. Tadi wait. B1. Okay. This one completing the square. Okay. Maximum value guys. Okay. Completing the square. So kamu kena buatlah kaedah kamu. I hope you all still remember lah completing the square. Make sure the coefficient is still 1. Coefficient of x square. Perkali x square 1. Lepas tu tambah B bahagi 2 kuasa 2 tolak B bahagi 2 kuasa 2. Tambah 5P. So guys, yeah, something careless lah I think. So kalau kamu nampak yang ni guys, can you tell me they ask you find P, right? So 6 ni mewakili apa dalam jawapan saya? Can anyone tell me? 6 is equal to what? Sorry, yang ni silap. Yang ni adalah plus P square. A, what do you mean by A? They say maximum value guys. Maximum value is P. 6. Nilai maximum 6. So your maximum value is the one at the end. Always remember. Kat akhir tu, selepas this bracket. Okay, so you must multiply the negative inside. Yes, very good Nabila. P square plus 5P. Sat Nabila. Kamu kena darab masuk dulu negatif ni. Jadi jadi positif P square tolak 5P equal to 6. Macam ni, sikit silap lah. Okay, so if you solve quadratic, should be no problem lah. -1 or 6. Final answer. Dua-dua pun diterima. Okay, possible values. Jadi lebih dari 1. Okay, so this the answer lah. And then the next question, they say, tadi orang tanya B2, right? Okay, they say using the positive value. Positive value means, kamu gantikan je lah. P equals to 6. Okay, your equation is -x square plus 2px minus 5p. So, kamu gantikan 6 kat sini. You should get -x square plus 12x minus 30. Okay, so guys, reflect about x-axis. Pantul kat paksi x. Maksudnya apa berubah? What should you change here? Anyone?
Jadi positif ke bang? Kau jadi.
Ya, betul. Negatif jadi positif. Okay? Kamu kena darab seluruh persamaan ni dengan negatif. Maksudnya, this is your final answer lah guys. When reflect on x-axis. Kamu boleh lukis graf untuk faham. Okay, originally graf kamu masam. Jadi bila kamu nak pantul ke sini, akan jadi macam ni lah. So yang ni mewakili yang ni. Can you understand guys? This is question 4 lah. Question 3. Clear or not guys? Boleh faham tak? Okay, so now question 5, right? People ask. 8 son, Yeah, Pritika asked number 5. Pritika, this question quite simple. Can you see the trend? They ask you find the value of k. -4 become 3, -3 become 2, -2 become 1, 1 become 2. So if you get 3, means what is the value here? Can you tell me, Pritika? What should be the value? What become 3? Yes, 2 means k plus 1 equal to 2, means k equals to 1, habis. Okay, so this is number 1. And then function notation, guys. How to write function notation? Hx equals to, you can notice the trend, guys, x plus 1. Okay, sebab image lebih satu nombor dari object. The image is one number higher than the object. But then be careful, you try with -4, right? If you plus 1, you get -3. Tapi jawapan kamu 3. Maksudnya kena letak modulus. Because only you get positive answer. So this is your answer. Understand? Okay, so then how about this? They say inverse function must exist. So Pritika, inverse function, can you tell me how can inverse function exist? Inverse function is a type of what function? You learn the relation, right? One to many, many to one, many to many. So if you want fungsi songsang to wujud, what type of relation is it? Can you tell me? No, one to one. Okay, inverse function can only exist when one to one. Okay, so how to get one-to-one function? You must have one object, one image lah. Okay, so basically, macam mana nak tahu fungsi songsang exist or not? You use the horizontal line test. Okay, so can you see over here? It only intersect one point. Satu titik persilangan means inverse function exists. Fungsi songsang ada. So from what value does the inverse function exist, Pritika? Of course, from the minimum point lah, which is 1. How I know the minimum point is 1? 3. You can refer to the equation here lah. Can you see this? This is vertex form, bentuk vertex. Means this represent axis of symmetry. Okay, so this is 3. Means basically x must be greater than or equal to 3. So your m is 3. Untuk get the inverse function over here. Because if you consider the whole graph, you will have 2 points of intersection here and here. 2 point means is many to one, banyak kepada satu relation. Many to one will not have inverse function. Okay, so that's why I must limit myself. The limit is over here, the minimum point. So that only got one side, positive. Okay, so that's your M lah. And then they ask you range. So Pritika, can you tell me the range for fx? Now you know your M is 3. So what will be the fx? The range. Siapa-siapa tahu tak? What is the range of value you should get? Hello? Anyone? No, only one answer, range. Range refer to which axis, Pritika? X-axis or Y-axis? Julat tu merujuk paksi. Julat? Yes, Y. Okay, so you must find your Y value. 3 is your X value, your M. Okay, no worries. So basically you substitute X is 3 lah. Okay, means you get 1. Means your range is fx is greater than or equal to 1. Why? You can see the graph lah. Your graph is like this. Okay, so this blue part over here is your range. So fx is greater than or equal to 1. In other words, your range is 1 to infinity lah. Okay, there is no limit. Tak ada had. Means your range can start from 1, go until infinity. Okay, so this is your answer lah. I mean, this the question you had. So now guys, 6 to 10. Faster. 6 sampai 10. Which question you want me discuss? Come on, guys. 6 to 10. If can, you choose the hardest question, lah, guys, so that easier for you and easier for me. We can end earlier also. Hardest question among 6 to 10. The one hardest question you want me discuss, because the rest I can send solution one to all of you. So what you want me discuss? 6 to 10. Yang paling susah. Anyone? Pritika, Steven, Reese, nak bincang soal apa? None ah. 6 to 10 you can do everything. Wow, then good lah. 8 ah. The hardest one ah. Okay, 8. Come. Oh, because proving lah, no wonder. Guys, simple only lah, this formula. If you hafal how to prove, you can prove lah. Simple as that. But never mind, I teach you all. So basically, how to prove this one? Okay, so how to prove? You start first lah. Sn is T1 plus T2 plus T3 and then plus, below one should be easy lah if you can prove this. Okay, so basically you have A plus D tambah A tambah 2D. This one I'm using the basic formula of Tn lah, guys, for arithmetic to get all the value over here. Okay, 2D and then plus A plus N minus 1D. Okay, and then guys, can I ask you, the one I write here, is it ascending or descending order, guys? Seluruh yang ni. Adakah ni menaik ke menurun? Huh? Descending ah? Are you sure? Yes, ascending. Okay. So the next order I will give is the opposite, descending. Means you terbalik your answer in the first part lah that I write. Can you see? So then I add up both. Tambah dua-dua. Then you will get the answer. Okay, you should get 2Sn is n 2a plus n minus 1d. But you can prove or not. Then you should get this answer lah. Yeah, I think anyway should be able to accept lah as long got logic. But this is my method lah. Okay. Oh, I see. Maybe you can learn from this lah. You asked for B, right? The B is the harder one. Okay, so B, how to do B? Basically, they say 400 cakes first week. Means A is 400. Decrease by 8. D is negative 8. 7th week, N is 7. This is how I analyze info. Yeah, usually B should be easier lah, but she think terbalik, I think. Never mind. So Pritika, this one actually they should add the word total lah. If you see BM is jumlah. The question didn't say clearly, it should be total number of cakes. Okay, translation error. Okay, so basically you must use S7. And then apply lah your formula for arithmetic. Then you count this whole value. But is this my final answer, Pritika? Yes or no? Adakah ni jawapan akhir? No, because we still got week 8. Okay, if you count for week 7, you should get 2632. They say now the 8th week it increased 100%. So how do I know what is the value? You must find T8, of course lah. Sorry, T7. And then you find T8. So how to find T7? A plus N minus 1 D. So you should get 352. So Pritika, can you tell me what will be the T8 if increase 100%? What should be the final answer for T8 if T7 is 352? Anyone? Siapa-siapa tahu T8? Apa jawapan dia? T7 352, then increase 100%. Yeah, means what's the final answer? T8. Anyone? What should my T8 be? Basically, you take do you understand, Pritika? Boleh faham tak? 352 plus 352 lah. 100% of 352 is 352. Plus lah, because they say increase by 100%. The 100% is this 352. Yes, original 352 come from the T7. And then you plus with this value lah to get the total. 2632 plus 704 is your answer. Not hard one. It's a bit of logic lah. Okay, so I think this is the hardest lah, I so feel. So last one, guys. 11 to 15. I think you all will say 11, right? Am I right, guys? 11 to 15, the hardest one you want me to discuss. Yes, correct. Correct. 11 sampai 15, guys. One question, hardest. You think 11? You want me to discuss this one? Okay, I know you all don't like this permutation question. Okay, so they say 6 student, guys. Choose 6. Basically, part pertama adalah gabungan, combination. These two question is combination. Okay, they say 7 male and 5 female. 7M plus 5F. So they say female exceed male. So guys, what are the possibility over here? You can have 4F, 2M, or 5F, 1M. Okay, dua kebarangkalian sahaja. Two possibility. Guys, if I say 3M, 3F, boleh tak? 3 male, 3 female. Adakah saya patuhi syarat? No, very good. So this one only lah. So how to find? Very simple lah, guys. You have 5 female, choose 4. 5C4. 7 male, choose 2. 7C2. 5 female, choose 5. 1 male out of 7. So your final answer, 112. Okay, jawapan akhir 112. Okay, 112. Okay, so 11A2, guys, how to do? Okay, so 11A2, at least 4 male student. So how to find 4 male student? I mean, what does it mean by at least? Okay, at least mean greater than or equal to 4. Okay, lebih besar atau sama dengan 4. So got 7 male. Okay, so basically 4M, 2F. Or you can have 5M, 1F. Or you can have 6M, 0F. Total, you must choose 6 only. So that's why I stop at 6M, 0F lah. Henti kat situ. Guys, 7M, 0F can lah. Is this possible? 7M, 0F? No, huh? Yeah, correct. Okay. So this is your answer lah. You press the calculator again. Okay. So then you will get the answer already. Okay, for this one. Okay, guys. So are you clear with the permutation? I mean the combination. Boleh faham tak? I think this one is the masalah lah. So guys, how to do this? Anyone? This one's the hard question. So basically, kamu kena lihat ni secara berasingan. You have totally 6 ways in the first box. So 6 factorial. 6 cara nak gerak because they say can only move right or up. So total 6. Divide 4 factorial times 2 factorial. Why I do this one? Because kamu gerak 4 ke kanan, 2 ke atas is exactly the same. Repeated object or repeated or identical, sama. This one is identical. And then how about the second box? I can move 7 possible position. 4 kanan, 3 atas. And then divide 4 factorial, 3 factorial. Okay, guys, so you tekan this, you get the answer. Done. Okay, guys, are you clear? Whew. Wow, guys, 2 kertas. Speed one. So, guys, how you find the discussion today? Okay, Bermanfaat tak? Saya bincang banyak soalan hari ini. Okay ya. Hope you all understand lah.